Ngayon, naglalakad ako, ayan, and nandito ako sa highway, and this is what happened here in Cotabato City while in the night. So, let's call the night young and free. So, this is what happened here in the traffic highway right now. And someone said, you are not from Cotabato City, you are from Manila. Your accent is Tagalog and not from the Mindanao. And I'm not talking to this man. And this man, the chuper driver said, you're so suplada. That's the driver said, you're so suplada, hindi ka taga rito sa Mindanao, and your accent is Tagalog, and I'm not talking to those people. So ayan, sorry, hindi po ako suplada, na takot lang ako, baka hindi na hi and hello, baka meron kayong issue. So ayan, so ito yung view dito. There's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.